All right, here we go, Maverick fans. Gauze Garage coming to you from Veterans Day Car Show down here at the Punta Gorda, Florida Veterans Park with the permanent Vietnam Wall out there by the water. But today we're going to be looking at a rare and beautiful high-performance Ford Maverick 4-speed. Taking a look in here, you can see the way they've got the engine dressed. Very accurately, very well done. And you got 302 4-valve. So I'm not particular with the ins and outs of what Ford did with these Mavericks, but they're very much along the lines of, say, like an A-body Dodge or a Duster or something like that. It's a little sporty two-door. Got kick-out rear wing windows, which is slots in basically what a Duster would do. And someone has really put this car together. It looks sweet. Good colors. Got the sport stripes on it. I'm not sure of the production number with the high performance V8s in these Mavericks, but they've paid good attention to all the bright trim, the bezels, the wheels, tires look good. Looks like rim blow steering wheel. And what a cool little car, man. You know, I think 99% of these were just passenger cars and people wouldn't even notice them. But then when you get a 302 4-valve in it, then it becomes a whole different animal. Just like 340 Dusters did. But there you have it. Patriotic Americans. American horsepower in a beautiful 71 Ford Maverick 302 4-valve 4-speed. This is Gauze Garage. God bless America.